This video tutorial will guide you how to migrate OneDrive data, including folders, images, videos, documents, etc., using Kernel Office 365 Migration Pro. The tool helps in efficient migration of mailbox data from Office 365 along with Office 365 in-place archive to another O365 domain. The process to use this tool for simplified OneDrive data migration is described in this video ahead. Download, install, and launch Kernel Office 365 Migration Pro software on your system. Go to the Office 365 Migration Pro tile from the home screen and click on Let's Connect. This will open a new screen where you can select Office 365 in source and destination. After that, click on the Go button. Provide a new project name and job name and click Next. The software will show a message, Project name does not exist. Do you want to create it? Click Yes to continue. After creating a new job, click on Add Source from the source pane on the Add Source and Destination Connector window. Provide the required Office 365 credentials, such as tenant name, tenant ID, and client secret, and click Add. Note, if you also want to move SharePoint data along with the OneDrive, then mark the SharePoint Online checkbox and provide its required credentials. Once the source is added, it will show a Source Saved Successfully message. Click OK to continue. Now click on Add Destination to connect the target account. Provide the credentials just like the source and click Add to connect. Once the destination is added, you will get Destination Added Successfully message and click OK. Select the source and destination accounts and click Next. Now, choose OneDrive Users Drive Migration from the components and click OK. The software will start fetching data and show you the list of related source and destination OneDrive accounts. In the following map window, you can change the mapped destination users by clicking on the three dots. To map a specific destination user, select the checkbox and click Add. Now verify all the users' selection and click Next. Select and map Office 365 groups if you want to migrate them with other contents. Note, we've not selected groups as we are migrating data from OneDrive user accounts. Click Next. In the Select Items for Migration window, select Users and OneDrive component for migration and click Next. In the Add Filters window, select Required Options, Overwrite Existing Files / Add as New Version, Upload only if target file exists and is older than source file. Select if you want to migrate all data hierarchy into a separate folder. Select Folder Filter, File Filter, and Versions to perform selective data migration. After applying all the filters, click Next. You need to select from immediate and schedule options based on your convenience to run OneDrive data migration. Click Next. Verify all the migration selections and click Create to create a new migration job. Once the migration job is created, the software will pop up a Job Created Successfully message. Hit OK to close the pop-up. The software will start migrating OneDrive data with the real-time process status with the current migration status and currently migrating data. Once the migration is completed, the state of the job will turn to read. Use Migration Report to check the detailed parameters about the migration. On the following wizard, check the migration job and click on View Details. Preview the detailed migration report and click on the Save Report to CSV to download this report. Select the destination folder, enter the migration report name, and click Save to download the report. Finally, click OK and then Close to exit the tool. To learn more about the Office 365 migration tool, click on the link given below.